Hi, Ma.
Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Here. Kulang pa yan. Sige. Evidence of your kabap po yan. Now that we have proof, tatanggi ka pa rin? A cheap woman caught in the act. That's what you are. Ikaw pala ang rason kung bakit problemado ang anak ko. You're cheating on Vincent. And now that with those pictures, wala ka ng palusot, Lali.
Ma, it's not what you think. Hindi ko ho alam na halikan niya ako.
Really? Nasurpresa ka?
Pero sinampal ko ho si Paul right after. Whoever took these pictures, alam niya kung ano nangyari.
You expect me to believe this, Lali? Siyempre, alam mo na ang sasabihin mong palusot in case na mahuli ka. But here's what you won't expect, Lali. Manang! Manang! Dali.
Ma,
Pwede ka nang umalis, Lali. Tao kitang pinapasok sa pamamahay ko. Ngayon, ahas kang aalis. Lumuhod ka man o gumapang sa harap ko, I don't think I can ever forgive you.
hindi niyo po alam kung anong sinasabi ninyo, Ma. You don't even know what's really going on between me and your son.
I know enough. Now you may go. Kung ayaw mong kaladkarin ka ng mga maids palabas.